Can you can hear me? Drop one in the comment section. All right, all right. Okay, let's go analyze the chart and just see what we have for next week, or for next week, for next month. All right, so let me start from the monthly. So I'll be starting from the monthly. I'll be starting from the monthly with the aspect that market just ended. Market just finished a month, so a 1 month candle just closed. So we have a new month candle. So we have here this month candle being closed with a rejection. So market candles, 1 month candle closed with a rejection, but within it we have a fair value gap. So we have a fair value gap here. So we have a fair value gap here, which I can expect market to could come inside the fair value gap and sell, or what market should continue the sell, or market should just continue to sell without going back to the fair value gap. But I can see because we have a bullish candle that is inside the range of a bearish candle, there's a possibility of market retracing to the fair value gap and sell. So there's a possibility of market retracing to the fair value gap and sell. So that is the expectation I have on the monthly chart. All right, so let's go to weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, you can see it here on the weekly chart. Something I always talk about is that this particular CRT here that I've been talking about from the past 1, 2, 3, for the past 4 weeks, market has not complete the CRT. So I'm still expecting markets to complete this liquidity. The market can go up above. I'm looking for this CRT, the liquidity of the CRT. I'm kind of someone that look at candle signs, look at what market is going to do. So I'm kind of looking at the CRT, looking at market should take out the liquidity on this particular low, which I expect. Because if you look at something here, all these candles, they are in the range of this one candle. So there's a high liquidity below here, which market can sweep before going up, right? So that is. Can you guys still hear me? If you can hear me, drop one in the comment section. If you can hear me, drop one in the comment section. All right. All right. So let me go to daily charts. So on daily charts here, what am I seeing on daily charts? Because I had the understanding that market is going to go to sell, and now if you see something on the daily chart here, you see what market did here on the daily chart. See what market did on the daily chart here. Market enter into what? Another block here, and market sold. So which means there's a liquidity below this low. So for market to sell from this other block, then where is market coming to? This low. So I expect market to come to this low for liquidity. So that is the expectation of what market should do. So though you can see the market has been consolidating inside the range. So I don't really have what market is going to do here, because markets are consolidated inside the range. There's high, there's been low, everything is been taken. So I will just say consolidation inside a range. All right, so let's go to 4 hours chart. So on 4 hours chart here, you can see market took out a liquidity. Market trade away from a reclaimed order block here. You can see a reclaimed order block. I showed this out. I gave this out on my Telegram channel. So you can see this sell here. So which means market should come to this low, and there's also an equal low. So here we have what? We have an equal low. So we have an equal low here. So expectation is that there should be a sell inside this, there should be a buy inside this range, then a sell to the equal low, because equal low is a liquidity zone in the market. There are many buy traders there. They are always trading support and resistance. So market should take out the liquidity on the equal lows. All right, thank you, Ma. Can you just hear me now? I've said it. Can you hear me now? Like now. I want you to type one now. Like now. Can you hear me now? All right, so you can see it here. We have equal lows that market can come to take out liquidity. And here I have what? I have an order flow. So this order flow here is where I expect market to enter, or this fair value gap here. So the understanding is that market should come inside the fair value gap because we have another flow leg. So this will be my expectation for the coming week. My expectation for the coming week. I'm not looking at buy because there is no a good buy here, no good buy, because we don't have a bullish order flow. The only bullish order flow we have is this. You can see it here. Market make use of the fair value gap to do a buy continuation. So after we have that bullish, you can see there's no other bullish order flow. So we have a bearish order flow now. So I can expect markets to enter into the fair value gap and sell. So that is my expectation. So let me go to 1 hour. All right, so there's a possibility that we might be missing this particular sell I gave out. But this is the thing here. I expect market to come inside here or this high for sell continuation. So this particular buy zone here, I don't think it's going to hold. So it's just the buy zone here is just another block. I don't think it's going to hold. Market is going to take it out as a liquidity because there's a liquidity below. There is two liquidity below it. So I don't like trading when there's a liquidity below. Yeah, so there's a liquidity below. So I expect markets to what? Take out the lows and take out the lows for liquidity. So I don't think buy level here is going to work. But so that is my expectation for the week. The fair value gap for sell continuation. Right. So the fair value gap for sell continuation is my expectation for the week. All right. So all I have for that is all I have for